There's a model called C770 where we have promoted with a lot of content in terms of giving a free 2 GB memory card loaded with 40 movies as a kind of innovation, and that's also a Java phone. And first time we thought mutually we have discussed and thought of giving the Opera Mini browser in a normal feature phone. That time it was really a big challenge, whether a feature phone can support a good browsing capability and can it download a content and all. Even we had such kind of apprehensions that time. And finally, the result being, it succeeded so much, added to the merit of the phone. Definitely, Opera Mini also added to the success of that phone, and that was the first success for Cellcon also, where we sold about over 1 million handsets for that particular device. Since then, yeah, it was always a good feeling to have that because there's a lot of advantages. When you browse, the browsing speed is good compared to other browsers, and also when you download content, the charges, the data charges compared to other browsers, that is economical. So it really added a value to the brand and also to the users. You're there always with us, and you know what kind of products we're coming out with. We're always grounded, and we always launch something that a customer really requires. We understand the mindset, taste, and preference of the customers, and always delivering the product accordingly. That's basically the key for Cellcon. And today also we have a very good product. We named it as Nova Campus. It basically comes from Campus series. It's A352. As you can see, this is a smartphone, my dear friends. This is a smartphone, Campus Nova A352E, with 512 GB based on Android operating system, of course, with Opera coming as a default browser again to add strength to it. And this supports Jelly Bean with 3.5 inches, a good display with a decent camera, 2 megapixel camera at the back, and 512 MB internal memory. This is nothing great. What's great in this phone is that when I was talking to the people, I have told that this is world's most economical smartphone. When I say world's most economical smartphone, I should be definitely having a price which should match that statement. And the price that we're going to announce for this phone, this is going to be available in the stores from Dussehra and also from Diwali across pan-India stores in the entire country. And also recently we have ventured into 7 international countries as well, and we are also shipping to these countries as well. So this 352 smartphone, a proper Android smartphone that can support Play Store, that can support decent memory, camera, everything, and we are trying to price this to a customer at an approximate price band of 2,000 rupee. So that's going to be the key. I'm sure this news is going to be a big news all over the country because I'm really proud as a homegrown company. This is the first company to announce a smartphone, a proper smartphone, because these days people are confusing. In fact, some of the brands are confusing some of the phones as a smartphones, though they are not a smartphone exactly, because they doesn't have a Play Stores or whatever content downloading opportunity in that. So they are launching that at a much higher price than this, but with a proper Android operating system, with Jelly Bean, with 512 GB internal memory and a 256 RAM, with a 3.5-inch display, with a 2 MP camera. We are going to price this at 2,000 rupee. I'm sure a lot of my feature phones currently are also priced at this price band, but speed is everything in this industry. We have to be in pace with the speed. So just to upgrade, just to give an opportunity to the Indian consumers to upgrade themselves from a feature phone to a smartphone, this is the innovation that we're trying to bring in today, and this is coming from Cellcon's own design house, and we're really proud, and this will be available in pan-India stores from Diwali, and from in the South India, this will be available from the Dussehra time. And also we have partnered exclusively with Snapdeal as an online partner to sell this device. So with this, as every time your support is always there with us, thanks once again for coming, and let's hope to meet you soon with a different event. Thank you so much.